Here we go. We get a 1, personal space. 2, personal space. 3, stay out of my personal space. 4, keep away from my personal space. 5, get out of that personal space. 6, stay away from my personal space. 7, keep away from that personal space. 8, personal space. 9, personal space. You know, I take personal space pretty seriously. Up to the point that I don't even care about this. I'm not even interested in having